I will describe a fundamental part of business operations that sometimes go unnoticed but is vital to the success and sustainability of any company. I would like to discuss the subject of inventory cost. Many businesses rely on inventory to survive. It includes all of company's goods that are ready for sale or usage in production. Inventory serves as a link between suppliers and customers from a little corner store to a multinational enterprise. The complexities of inventory expenses, on the other hand, are frequently hidden under the sales racks and storage rooms. Understanding this cost is essential not only for business owners and managers but also for everybody interested in business, economics, or finance. Whether you are a student learning the fundamentals of business or a seasoned professional looking to improve your knowledge, today's discussion of inventory cost will shed light on the financial complexities behind the products we see on store sales or behind the scenes of online retailers. So, without any more delay, let us take a trip into the realm of inventory costs, uncovering the complexities and consequences of this essential component of corporate operations. Inventory is an integral component of every physical product based the company. It comprises all items held by a business for sales or manufacturing. Inventory management is essential to corporate performance since it impacts profitability and cash flow. Understanding the various expenses involved with inventory is an important component of inventory management. Purchase cost. The purchase cost, also known as the acquisition cost, is the most apparent component of inventory cost. It represents the price a company pays to acquire its inventory items. This cost includes not only the actual price of the products but also any shipping, handling, or importation fees associated with bringing the goods into the company's possession. Carrying cost. Carrying cost, also known as handling cost, are the expenses incurred to maintain and store inventory. These expenses can include warehousing cost. These are the expenses related to the renting or owning a storage facility, utilities, and equipment required to store inventory. Insurance cost. Companies need to insure their inventory against theft, damage, or other potential risks. Security cost. Protecting inventory from theft or damage often requires security measures such as surveillance systems or security personnel. Handling costs. These costs encompass the labor and equipment needed to move inventory in and out of storage as well as any materials like pallets or packaging. Obsolescence cost. Inventory items can become obsolete if they become outdated or unsalable. This results in a loss of value. Opportunity cost. Money tied up in inventory could be used elsewhere in the business, potentially generating a return. Opportunity cost represents the lost opportunity to invest that money more profitability. Stockout cost. Stockout cost, also known as storage cost, occur when a company runs out of an item in inventory and cannot meet customer demand. This cost can be significant and includes lost sales. When customers cannot purchase a product due to stockouts, the company loses potential revenue. Back ordering cost. If the company promises to fulfill an order when the product is back in stock, it may incur additional expenses to manage these back orders. Customer dissatisfaction. Stocks out can lead to an unhappy customers, which can harm a company's reputation and future sales. Ordering cost. Ordering cost are the expenses incurred each time a company places an order to replenish inventory. These costs can include administrative costs, the paperwork and administrative tasks involved in placing orders such as processing purchase orders. Transportation costs, expenses related to shipping and receiving inventory. Supplier communication cost, costs associated with communicating with suppliers, negotiating terms, and managing relationships. Excess and obsolete inventory cost. Excess and obsolete inventory cost occur when a company holds onto inventory for an extended period, resulting in items becoming outdated, damaged, or unsellable. This cost can include storage expenses, insurance, and the loss of the item's original value. In today's world, the tendency is gradually toward outsourcing inventory management to third-party service providers. For one thing, firms discover that managing inventory operations requires specific core competencies that may be incompatible with their business competencies. They would prefer outsource to a supplier with the necessary expertise than create them in-house. In the case of large-scale warehouse operations, the size of investments may be excessive in terms of building and material handling equipment cost, among other things. Furthermore, the project may last for several years using resources that could be used in more essential areas such as R&D, expansion, and so on, rather than being engaged in the project. Understanding the various components of inventory cost is essential for both students and organizations. Companies may optimize their inventory management operations, minimize waste, and enhance overall profitability by efficiently recognizing and managing this cost. Inventory costs are more than just the cost of items. They include a variety of expenses which impact a company's bottom line. Thank you for watching this video.